My name is Naomi Kinsey, and I'm the co-principal at Beveridge Elementary School. The district gave us an initiative to try to push STEM with our students and our teachers. And we thought what would be the best way to do that would be hands-on activities to get the kids interested and engaged.
I am Dr. Tyneasha Banks, and I'm one of the co-principals here at Beveridge Elementary. I was a part of getting a makerspace at our school when I initially came on as the building principal about 4 years ago.
Being an urban school, there are lots of things that we think about and say the kids can't do or don't have. And I think makerspace and STEM have allowed us to get away from that. You see the kids' creativity, you see their energy and enthusiasm for coming to school. They ask all the time, are we gonna go outside to the garden? Are we going in the makerspace? Are we gonna build something today? And just seeing that spark in them makes me believe that anything is possible. And if I believe it, the teachers believe it, the parents believe it, and the kids will believe it.
We really believe that STEM is our vehicle to help bring up our reading scores, our math scores, because all of that is interrelated, and our kids, they don't know as they're creating something, engineering something, and planning something that they're using all of those skills and still having fun.
I saw this great thing at another school that had a makerspace. It was called a fail pail, and it was filled with things that you would normally call garbage. The way that the makerspace team explained it was that it's a way to grow. And I thought about it in the way of if you think about your iPhone or whatever technology you use, the first prototype probably wasn't the thing that's on the market now. And so using those examples, I think the kids understand that it is absolutely okay to fail, but you don't give up. You keep perfecting it, you keep working, and the makerspace is a great place to do that.
Typically, you don't see it in urban communities, them being exposed to this type of activity. So that is very rewarding. So it went from, I want to be a basketball player, to let me think about aeronautical engineer, or what is the art of gaming, of the science behind it. So it kind of broadened their ideas of different careers that they can do. And it all started right here.
When the teachers come into the makerspace, it's like their kids again. And so the joy in teaching, as an administrator, it's so amazing to see that come back to them, because there are so many things about education that can bog you down, but the makerspace has seemed to open up our teachers to everything that they thought they forgot about teaching, what's fun, what's creative. And when they get the joy back, then the kids definitely have it. My hopes for our school and for our community is that we build dreamers. We don't want our kids to forget to dream. And I think that STEM allows us a vehicle to do that, because you get to see things go from nothing to something great. So STEM is here to stay, makerspace is here to stay, and that's the challenge, to keep everybody going in the same direction. Thanks, First Makerspace. We love you guys. That's it.